Mount your camera on the tripod, use portrait mode. Record an empty background for few seconds, okay? Then you walk in, then you look up, then you jump up and do as if you kick on something. Then you hold your leg as if what you kick is too heavy, that at least it had given you injury on your leg. After that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video, locate volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start from. At this point, click on the video, make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. So this is the video. This is how it will look like. Come back. Click on overlay. Add overlay now. Your green screen stone. Bring it in. If you need a DM me, I will send it to you. So at this point, locate where you want the stone part you want. Click on this place and make a split. Move. Come back. Make a split here as well. Then you delete this one now. Delete the first part as well. Click on this one and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now, guys. Chroma key, drag it, mark on that good and go back. Click on it and go and look for adjust. Locate adjust. Click on adjust now. Locate HSL. Click on it. Mark on green, reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good and go back. Alright, so at this point now, turn the stone. Look at what I am doing. Turn the stone. After turning the stone now, you go and look for freeze. Go and locate freeze, guys. Locate freeze. Now click on freeze, okay? Click on freeze. Then click on this last part and delete. Click on the first part and delete. Click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. After that, you click and drag. Click on the green screen and drag it. Drag it. After dragging it, you come back now. Look at what we are going to be doing. Go and locate that place where you kick on the rock. Then you make sure that this rock is at the point of your leg. Bring it down. Make sure it's at the point of your leg. Then after that, then you drag it down. You can see what I'm doing. Drag it down. After dragging it down, then you click on it and add your keyframe. Click on it, add your keyframe now. Then you adjust the video. You drag the stone up. You adjust the video. You drag the stone up. That is what you will do. All right. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome to the tutorial. We are still dragging the stone up as we are adjusting our video. So at this point, after dragging it fine and now, immediately you jump up. You will drag the stone down to the point of that your leg. Bring it down to your leg. You make your necessary adjustment. If you need this green screen, DM me. I will send it to you. All right. Make your necessary adjustments here. Make sure the stone is at the point of your leg. After adjusting it, then you adjust again. Then you drag the stone out. Drag it out. So at this point, this video is ready. Okay, let us play it from the beginning to see how it look like. All right, come down and watch if there is any error so that we correct it. So look at it, look at what it will look like. Good. So at this point, this video is ready. What we are going to be doing now is to remove the unwanted parts. From this point, click on this one, make a split. Click on the green screen, make a split. Delete the green screen. Click on this one, delete it as well. So at this point, this video is ready as far as I'm concerned. What will be remaining here now is to add your necessary effects, your light effect, your sound effect. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Okay. So at this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to export this video to our gallery. So at this point, you click on export. Then you export this your video to your gallery. At this point, this video have installed in our gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? And don't forget, if you need that green screen stone, don't hesitate to DM me. I will send it to you, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.